Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. When it comes to solving equations, the basic knowledge is going to work wonders. If you are very good in handling algebraic expressions, basic operations like multiplication, addition, subtraction, changing signs, like terms, unlike terms, solving equations will not be a problem. But the traditional methods, they are very good, but when it comes to cracking the JEE exam or the placement exams, the Olympiads, the NTSC, they are testing you for speed and accuracy both. So if you are good in a subject, it doesn't mean that you will be able to crack the competitive exams. For that, you need speed coupled with accuracy. So in this video, I am going to take up a very, very important method, that of solving linear equations in two variables, and I am going to prove that it becomes so very easy when you do it through the tricks given in the ultimate guide to speed math. So I'll show you the books. Here are the books, and we have the combo of these books from which I am showing you this trick. And we have specially curated these books for our school students, college students, placement exam aspirants, so that they have a compilation of all the tricks, very, very nominal cost. And how to get a copy, I will tell you after telling you the trick. Okay, so watch. Let's take some questions wherein we have to find the values of x and y. 2x minus 9y equal to 15. That's the first one. 4x plus 6y equal to 16. That's the second one. Now I want to find the values of x and y from this pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now in class 10th, you will notice that there is a method called elimination by substitution, and there's something called elimination by equating coefficients, and there is a graphical method also. One method which was deleted was the cross multiplication method, because students found it a little difficult. But I tell you what, that method forms the base of the Cramer's rule, which students study in class 12th. And that happens to be the easiest method of all. Just because students don't do it, they don't practice it, they think it is difficult. I will demonstrate how you can find the value of x directly given these two equations, and that method is mentioned in our Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths Volume 1 itself with the videos. Okay, so watch how I do it now. So if I have to find the value of x, I will start with the coefficient of y here, that is minus 9, and I will multiply it across like this by 16, put a minus sign, and then go the other way around. 15 times plus 6, that is 15 times 6. And in the denominator, I'll start with the minus 9 again and go the other way around. Here, this side, 4, and put a minus sign, and then go across like this, 2 times 6. Now, this is going to create a wonder. How? Let's see. This is minus 144, and 15 6 are 90, and in the denominator 36 and 12, right? So we have negative 200 and what? 90 means 34, right? 234, and in the denominator negative 48, and negative cancels out, giving you the answer for the question, which is it going exactly 234, right? So how much is this? 117, and this is 24, and 24 is divisible by 3, so 8 times, 39 times, and 39 by 8 happens to be my correct answer. 39 by 8. Now once you get this value, you can put the value of x in any one of these equations and get the value of y. Now getting the value of the first variable is the important part. Now I'll tell you, this method actually is not practiced by any students, and that is why they always say that this method is the most difficult method given in the book, the cross multiplication method. Can we try once more? Let's check. Suppose we have 4x plus 15y equal to 17, and say x minus 5y equal to 13. Now I want to find the value of x. So x equals, start with the 15 here, go across like this, 13 minus 17 times minus 5, like this, and in the denominator go across like this. 15 times 1, 15 only. Put a minus. 4 times minus 5. So what do we get here? This is 150 and 45, 195. Minus minus plus, this is 85. In the denominator 15 plus 20. So this gives me 285, 280, right? And in the denominator 15 plus 20 is 35, which gives me exactly 35, 8 times, right? Okay, so x equal to 8 as the answer. Now once you get the value of x, you can just plug in the value of x in any one of the equations and get the value of y. That is pretty easy. So friends, these are the tricks, which we all should learn. And if I show you the inside of this book, it has a lot of videos. See, all these are video links, so many illustrations, and then challenge zones to challenge yourself. And after every chapter, we have given the complete answer key so that you can actually verify your answer. A wonderful collection for all the maths lovers, and this is going to go a long way in your preparation for any kind of exam. How do you get a copy? WhatsApp this number 9896369963, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp using this, or use the Amazon links given in the description of this video as well. So friends, these are the smart things you can do, to overcome the fear of quant exams and to come in the top 1% bracket who actually are successful in the first attempt. So let me know after practicing, obviously, whether this method is proving to be easier for you or not, especially for class 10 students who are doing the multiple choice questions. They don't ask you to write the steps in that. So you can use these methods to crack the MCQs also. Okay, so I'll wait for your comments. All the best for the practice part.